The course we're talking about today is the BA Film, TV and Digital Media. One of the unique things is that combination of our strengths in film and television with these new modules in digital media. And digital media is really exciting because this is about how digital platforms are changing the way we live, work and socialise. And it's a chance for students to kind of reflect on what that means and how that's changing the world that we live in today. So we've got the strengths in film and television, and we're combining that with new expertise in digital media. It's a 3-year course, or it's 4 years if you do a year abroad or a year in employment. First year it's about teaching foundational skills and concepts and how digital media shapes cultures and identities. In the second year there's some compulsory modules which will introduce you to television studies and the role that digital media plays in the world of work. But there's also lots of optional modules, so you can choose the topics that interest you most. In the final year there's more opportunities to choose your own path, as well as doing a dissertation or a final project on a topic of your own choice and interest, and that's really where you can dive deeply into something that really interests you and you're really passionate about. So there's a range of different skills that students develop on our programs, and those skills are transferable to lots of different careers and professional opportunities. The kinds of skills and the kind of knowledge that you're developing in a program like this, whether it's through global awareness, whether it's through ethical reasoning, whether it's the kind of empathy that you get from watching movies and seeing another person's perspective, or whether it's through using digital media platforms in a critical way and responsible way, you're developing as a person that can do good in the world, that can make the world better, as well as finding meaningful jobs and employment and things like that. Joining a community of people who are passionate about film, TV and digital media. You're part of a relatively small, tight-knit community, and you're having the opportunity to explore a subject that you're passionate about, you're interested in, alongside other people who share that passion.